Hey guys, this is Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm gonna show you two of the Redbubble stores which are niche based. And the thing about these stores is that these stores are really very successful. And the thing why I'm showing you these stores is that you can just check out those stores and check out their designs, check out their strategies, what they are using to promote their stores and how they are getting so much sales and they have become successful stores. You can also just check out everything from that store, learn from them, and then you can replicate that in your particular niche based store which you are going to create on Redbubble. And in this way it would be beneficial for you and you can start making some good amount of money utilizing this strategy. Don't copy the stuff but understand it, reverse engineer the process, and in this way you can also become successful on Redbubble. We are into our computer screen, and now I have shown you one of the store. Now this is a particular store which is really awesomely niche targeted. Now you can see the poster of the store as well as you can see the banner of the store. The designs in the stores are also targeted towards one particular niche, and that is fitness. Now you can see there's all these designs are really niche targeted. See, you can see all these things are really something which are really related to something that is fitness, workout, or anything like that. This is something that is very important if you really want to grow your store in any niche. So if you are into a dog niche, then just keep uploading designs which are related to dog niche. If you are into any other niche, then keep uploading designs which are absolutely related to that niche and not something which is out of that. Okay, because you can see this is a very successful store which you can see over here. Maybe they may have some designs which are not related to fitness, but still most of their designs are about fitness, or they are something about fitness which is related to fitness. And you can see that they really have got something which is really awesome, and due to this they are one of the very successful stores. As well as the amount of work this store has put in is also really awesome. You can see they have uploaded 1700 designs. Okay, so that is something also is really commendable, and these are some of the things which you can apply to your store. You can find a very fixed niche for your store, as well as you can also be consistent like this store is and be willing to upload more and more designs to your store. So you can see now this store doesn't have any extraordinary designs, but most of the designs are based text based designs. But the thing about this is that as that text based designs are targeted to one particular niche, that's the reason there is a greater possibility that they can get more sales because they are targeted to one single niche. Now you can see that there are 17,000 favorites in this store. This is a little bit of older store because it started in 2016, but the thing is that this can also happen to your store also even in the lesser time period. But the thing is that you have to upload your designs in a particular niche, as well as you have to just put in effort consistently, and there would be a greater chance that you will be able to create a store like this, and which is really awesome. And this store will be and the store which you have created will be studied as a successful store. Now this is one of the example of successful store. Now I'm not gonna say that you should copy what the store is designs or anything like that. I am going to say you can replicate what type of things this store has done properly. You can just go to the store, visit the store, check out the titles, the tags, the description, all those things, and then you can just learn how you can improve your store based on this successful store. So this is something that is something which you need to understand, and if you are able to understand this and apply this all the successful strategies to your own store which you are going to build on Redbubble, then there is a greater chance that you will get sales very quickly and learn a lot more things and make some extra money out of it. So that is something which you need to understand, and this is something that can really help you out. Let me show you one more store. This is a store which is related to cars, okay? And the thing is that all the designs which are uploaded to the stores are related to traffic, are related to car and everything like that, automotives, okay? So now the thing is that you can see, you will learn that the stores are successful, why they are successful. Because number one point, they have targeted a single niche. Number second point is that they have been very consistent in uploading their designs. Number three is going to be, they have just, you can see here, they have just taken a viral design and then just made many versions of that design. And this is also one of the strategy that is really helpful on Redbubble, because if you find one design which is selling very nicely, then you can just replicate it and create more designs based on that design, so that there is a greater chance that you can get more sales on your store. As well as you can see that they have a really targeted niche which is related to automobiles, cars and everything. And the thing is that they have been consistent for a very long period of time. You can just visit the store, check out their strategies, don't copy the designs, take all the inspiration, learn how to do title tags and description, just check out all this stuff. And then the thing is that it's a learning process. The more you analyze all the successful stores, there is a greater chance that you will apply all these principles which are applied in this store to your own store and grow your store even better or even in a bigger way. So this is something which is really not all the people are doing, because most of the people are jumping into niches which are really very competitive, or most of the people are not at all consistent on Redbubble. Because if you are not gonna be this, then you are not gonna become a store like this which is really very successful. Okay, the thing is that you have to understand what successful people are doing in a particular niche, and after that you can just replicate that process in your own niche. Don't try to copy them, but the thing is that there is something which is very simple, is that you can replicate the process. Now you can see that they are having two of the things over here, Instagram and Pinterest. That means they are also driving traffic from the outside platform. So all of these things are something which you can yourself apply to your store and make more sales out of your store, earn more money out of your store. Everything of this can be done by you also. But the thing is that you, many of you may not be taking actions in this way or may not be thinking in this way. That's the reason why I have created this video, so that you yourself can use your own creativity, use your own analysis, use your own brain and apply that to your own store, so that your unique personality will come out in your store and you will also be owner of one of such successful Redbubble store. Okay, so I hope you have got all the things and understood everything which I am trying to tell you in this awesome video. So guys, this has been the entire strategy of this video. These are the two of the stores which are really awesome. You can replicate what the stores are doing. Don't copy the stuff, but replicate it, apply it to your own niche, and in this way there is a greater chance that you will get more sales in your niche, and in this way you will be making some awesome amount of money. I hope you have got some value out of this video. Press the like button, smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Then stay happy, stay prime, and thanks for watching.